Nnamdi Kanu gives condition to continued trial in court, exposed what judiciary are doing to him. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this channel that we got here this morning. As our headline for this morning says here that Nnamdi Kanu gives condition to continue trial in court, exposed what the judiciary are doing to him. Well, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has accused the Nigerian executive and judiciary of obstructing a fraudulent legal process against him since his extraordinary rendition in 2021. In a strongly worded open letter, Kanu said that he would not participate in any trial conducted by a court that lacks the necessary constitutional jurisdiction. Kanu emphasized that he would rather remain in detention indefinitely than subject himself to an unconstitutional trial. Let me make this clear. I will not be tried by any judge or court that does not meet constitutional standard. Not now, not ever, he declared. He further said that if it takes the rest of my life in detention to be presented before a proper and impartial court, so be it. Recounting his legal battles, Kanu explained that his letter aimed to expose what he described as a systematic miscarriage of justice. He pointed out a key ruling delivered on March 1, 2017, when the Federal High Court in Abuja ruled that IPOB when the Federal High Court in 2017 ruled that IPOB was not an unlawful group. This judgment which required proof beyond a reasonable doubt, should have settled the matter legally. However, instead of appealing the ruling, then Attorney General Abubakar Malami allegedly obstructed a secretive process to have IPOB designated as a terrorist organization without notifying Kanu or IPOB. On October 26, 2022, a federal high court ruled that Kanu's extraordinary rendition and constitutional detention were unconstitutional. The court found that his abduction from Kenya, subsequent detention in Abuja, and physical and psychological trauma consisted violation of his fundamental rights under Section 38(1)A of the 1999 Constitution. The ruling ordered the federal government to apologize and pay him compensation. Kanu argued that in a lawful society, this judgment should have led to his immediate release and constructive dialogue regarding the self-determination movement. Additionally, Kanu cited an October 13, 2022 Court of Appeal ruling which said that court must check executive lawlessness. The ruling said that his forcible abduction and extraordinary rendition violated both national and international law, thereby stripping any Nigerian court of jurisdiction to try him. Despite this, Kanu alleged that the federal government ignored the judgment and secretly obtained a stay of execution through a panel of justice acting fraudulently to overturn the decision. And that was what I was said here concerning this headline today this morning, which says here that Nnamdi Kanu gives condition to continue trial in court, exposed what judiciary are doing to him. And well, of course, yes, of course, you had it for me this morning. And if you're not a subscriber, the best you can do right here, right now, is to tap that subscribe button here with the notification bell. So anytime of any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it ASAP. Nnamdi Kanu gives conditions to continue trial in court, exposes what judiciary are doing to him. Well, you see, the Nnamdi Kanu's case is one that if you don't understand, you can't really talk about it. Nnamdi Kanu's case is one that if you don't really understand, is one that you can't even. I mean, Nnamdi Kanu, even out of anger with his own mouth, to say that if it takes the federal government forever to find a judge that will be like a good judge that will preside over his case, then so be it. Because nobody will want to be in a situation whereby they don't just want to release you. Everything they do is just against you. Yes, everything they do is just against you. That's just the point. Everything Nnamdi Kanu does, everything, whether he tries, whether he tries to relieve, free himself, the federal government just go against him. Because of Nnamdi Kanu, the federal government started to change the constitution of Nigeria because they know that legally Nnamdi Kanu has won the case, and still yet they don't want to release Nnamdi Kanu. They're not they call Nnamdi Kanu called it the judge was handpicking the judiciary. Credible things that she should have said that will foster the release of Nnamdi Kanu. She will not say it. I mean, they turned Nnamdi Kanu's case from felony to crime to terrorism. Which terrorists? Which terrorism? Nnamdi Kanu has never killed anybody. Nnamdi Kanu has never ordered the killings of anybody. IPOB as a whole group has not killed anybody before. Then why would the federal government just call them terrorists like that? I mean, just look at it in 2017. They prescribed IPOB as a lawful group, a good group, a lawful group. But the late Judge Karafati went behind everybody's back and labeled IPOB a terrorist organization without even naming IPOB, without even contacting IPOB, without even contacting in Nnamdi without even contacting anybody. And that's what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting about. Enough of all this madness here. Enough of um all these court cases. They're not ready to release Nnamdi Kanu at all. They are not ready to release Nnamdi Kanu at all in any way. They're not ready. So they should stop fooling. They should stop fooling us, thinking that they are, I mean, they should stop fooling Nigerians, thinking that they are fooling. Like seriously, who do you think? Who do you think they are? Do they think that do they think that Nnamdi Kanu does not know the law? That's why Nnamdi Kanu angrily told Binta Yakoda said that you cannot try me since you've rescued yourself from the case, you cannot come back. I mean, Nnamdi Kanu read the federal gazetted law for her. Then why would the judges, knowing fully well that she can't try Nnamdi Kanu, coming back and adjourning Nnamdi Kanu's case indefinitely? I mean, this is just ultra wrong. This is just wrong, entirely wrong. To me, I keep saying that, you see, in Nnamdi Kanu's case, Nnamdi Kanu cannot receive a fair trial as far as Nnamdi Kanu is in Nigeria. If Nnamdi Kanu really, really wants to receive a fair trial, I mean, another international body to put mouth inside this matter. Because the Nigerian government will not want to release Nnamdi Kanu unless Nnamdi Kanu drops the Biafra movement, and which, of course, Nnamdi Kanu has the right to agitate because we live in a democratic country. Nnamdi Kanu has the right to agitate because we live in a democratic country. Everything he does, the federal government will not allow him at all. At all. And that's why Nnamdi Kanu said that even though it takes him 100 years to find a good judge, fine, so be it. Kanu emphasized that he would rather remain in detention indefinitely than subject himself to an unconstitutional trial. He said that, let me make this clear, I will not be tried by any judge or court that does not meet constitutional standard. Not now, not ever, he declared. He further said that if it takes the rest of my life in detention to be presented before a proper and impartial court, so be it. Because every time they keep doing bias, every time they keep doing like malpractice concerning his own case, why is it only when he reached his own turn and they started changing the constitution up, they start turning it upside down? That is wrong. What do you guys think? Tell me, drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Then tap the subscribe button, yes, big door with notification bell. So anytime I have a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.